Hi all, Rene here. It is time for the Sew Sampler box. This is the June monthly subscription box. I haven't opened it yet. I just undid the seal. So let's see what we have. Called Handpicked for You June 2020 box. Let me pull this out because I'm sure there's a coupon. Coupon is 30% off Christmas Figs and Witches Night Out books. Those look really fun. So, okay, so we've got our little Handpicked for You little folder that tells us our stuff. Oh good, another rotary blade. I'm always needing these. So this is a 45 millimeter. It values $6.98. So we'll put that aside. This is, oh, magnifying lens. Huh, might be able to use that. Spot on magnifying lens. For ultra precise cuts, the spot on dot is your ruler's new BFF. Simply place the spot on dot wherever you want to magnify ruler lines for extra visibility, or use it to magnify your fabric for fantastic fussy cuts. Value on this is $8.98, and it says that it's also available in a set of 2, including 1 inch and 2 inch. This one is a 1 inch, so you can get one that's a little bit bigger. And it comes in a pretty good box here. Let's see. Yeah, it's I'm not sure if that's sticky. It's like rubberized, so I'm guessing you just put it down where you want to use it, and then it won't move. That's interesting. I'll have to try that out and see what I think. Okay, this looks like a yo-yo. What is it? A sweet storage solution, macaroons. Ooh, it's kind of rubberized. So let's get rid of that bag. The Swedish storage solution for your littlest notion. This trio of adorably appetizing macaroons. You know, I only got one. Looks like they have 3 different ones. I got the pink. It looks like they also have green and blue. And it's just a little notion box. And the value on that is $2.98. Yeah, it says that the colors will vary in your box. So I got pink. Makes me want some macaroons though. Okay, and then our fabric is, let's see, it is All Hallows Eve by Moda. And let's see what we get here. So we've got a green. These look like they are they fat quarters? They feel like fat quarters. Let's see. Yep, fat quarter bundle. It's by Fig Tree Quilts for Moda Fabrics. And the value on the fabric is $15.98. So it's green stars, some pretty orange flowers, and orange print, and then a couple of geometrics. They're okay. I have to admit, this isn't my favorite fabric I've seen. But let's see what the pattern looks like, and maybe I'll like it more. Okay, I like it a little more. It's called Orangey Glad. I guess those are supposed to be oranges. And it looks like there's a bonus size option. So what do we have here? So for the throw, you need one of these, 1 1/4 yard of your background and inner borders, which looks like a white or a white print. 5/8 of a yard for outer borders, they did it in a green, and then a 1/2 yard for binding, which they did in an orange. And then if you want the lap size version, you need the fat quarter plus an additional 1/3 yard of each one of these. And then 3 yards of background and border, 7/8 for your outers, and 5/8 for your binding. And then you'll need 4 yards of backing for the lap size, 1 1/2 yards of backing for the throw. So it's kind of pretty. At first I thought it was pumpkins, but it's oranges. So let me see if you need anything special for cutting. Looks like you do a bunch of flying geese, and you got some snowballs that you make. Let's see. So there's that. And then let's see if I like this. So far I have not been real thrilled with this Greatest Hits album. So it's this block right here. I'm just not getting into this one this time around. So I'm holding on to these, and once I see it completely done at the end of the year, maybe it's something I would enjoy. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you the value on the patterns. So this pattern will sell for $9.98. And then the Greatest Hits album quilt, this is track number 3, is $4.98. So 15, 17, let's see, 15, 22, 31, 31, 34, 44. So about $49 value, which I mean is good. It's good. But again, I wouldn't say this is my favorite box. So we'll have to wait and see. I guess not every box can be a winner. So here's just a little bit to show you what was in the box. And this guy's cute. I don't know what I'll use it for, but it's cute. I'll find something to do with it. So I hope you like this unboxing. A little short and sweet today. And I hope you're doing well. And if you have any questions, or let me know down in the comments if you got one of these boxes, what you think of it. And if you thought this was a pumpkin and not an orange. Okay? I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.